Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dimas Agung Priyantoro from the Ahmad Dahlan Institute of Technology and Business in Jakarta. Here I will present my final assignment, which is titled The Return of the Prodigal Son. Rembrandt van Rijn was a renowned Dutch painter who lived during the 17th century. He was born in 1606 in Leiden, the Netherlands, and became one of the most important artists of the Dutch Golden Age. Rembrandt was especially known for his ability to show human emotions in a realistic and meaningful way. He often painted portraits, historical events, and biblical stories. One of his most distinctive techniques was the use of strong light and shadow, known as chiaroscuro, which created deep and dramatic effects in his paintings. This technique This technique helped the audience focus on the main subject of the artwork. One of his most famous paintings is The Return of the Prodigal Son, which reflected themes of forgiveness and compassion. Despite experiencing financial and personal difficulties, Rembrandt's artworks continue to influence artists and are still admired today. Overview of The Return of the Prodigal Son. The Return of the Prodigal Son was a famous painting that was created by Rembrandt van Rijn in the late period of his life. This artwork depicted a quiet moment of forgiveness and compassion, showing how humanity was deeply understood by the artist. Rembrandt focused on emotion rather than action, didn't he? Biblical narrative as artistic inspiration. The painting was inspired by the biblical parable from the Gospel of Luke, which told the story of a son who had left his family and wasted his inheritance. After his failure, he returned home in shame, but he was welcomed with love. This narrative strongly reflected forgiveness and repentance. In the composition, Rembrandt placed the father at the center while the kneeling son was shown with torn clothes and bare feet. The father embraced his son gently, showing kindness and mercy. The surrounding figures were painted quietly, and the scene was deliberately made intimate. Chiaroscuro and the use of light. Light was used carefully to guide the viewer's attention. The father's face and hands were illuminated, while the background figures were kept in shadow. This lighting created a dramatic yet calm atmosphere, and it emphasized the emotional focus of the reunion. Gesture, posture, and emotional meaning. The body language in the painting spoke louder than words. The son bowed his head in humility, while the father stood firmly, expressing protection and acceptance. This contrast made the theme of forgiveness clearer and more powerful. Biographical context of Rembrandt van Rijn. Interestingly, the painting was completed near the end of Rembrandt's life, after he had experienced personal loss and hardship. His suffering was reflected in the deep emotional realism of the work, wasn't it? This personal experience strengthened the emotional depth of the painting. Color theory and atmospheric effect. The color palette was dominated by warm earth tones, which created a sense of warmth and humanity. Red and brown shades were chosen to enhance emotional connection, while bright colors were avoided to keep the mood solemn and reflective. Moral and philosophical interpretation. This artwork was not only admired for its technique but also for its philosophical meaning. Forgiveness, compassion, and reconciliation were presented as universal values. The emotional expression was intentionally emphasized rather than physical perfection. Art historical significance and reception. Many art historians have analyzed this painting because its message remained relevant across generations. The feeling of return, acceptance, and healing was clearly communicated. The painting continued to inspire emotional reflection in viewers. Conclusion. Forgiveness as a universal theme. In conclusion, The Return of the Prodigal Son was a masterpiece that combined storytelling, emotion, and moral depth. Rembrandt successfully conveyed the power of forgiveness through visual language. This painting reminded us that compassion was timeless, wasn't it? That concludes my presentation. I apologize for any shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.